Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm literally just gonna show you guys how to flatten your lace. Okay, so let's get into it. We're gonna start with, these are the products that you need. You need some spray, ebony spray. You could use spritz. You can use whatever melting spray that you have, but just beware some of those sprays. They do kind of turn whitish. This ebony spray and the purple can, the blue can, and the silver can are really good. Love it. You're gonna need a precision comb. You can order this on my website. I get the best parts with this comb. Those plastic combs just don't do the trick. This comb is sharp enough to get what I need. And then you need a wax stick. 𝐤𝐸𝐿 wax stick is really good. I also use another wax stick from a brand called It's Sticky. These are and olive oil wax stick is good too. All the other wax sticks to me are just too heavy, too harsh, and just turn too flaky and white, okay? So these are the products that you need. Now let's get started. First, you're gonna have to do your middle part, okay? The line on the mannequin, if you align your wig evenly onto this mannequin head, that line will be the middle part right here, boom, boom, boom. So you'll just follow it. I know some people, they draw like a black line on the mannequin head so they can see. You can also do that, but I don't do all that. That's just, I mean, that's actually a good idea to do. I would actually recommend that. I need to do that. I kind of have a black line here from something I did a long time ago. And I'm actually gonna use that black line as a marker. So you just take it like this. Go right down the middle. If I had somebody here, they would be able to show y'all the top of this wig, but I don't. So let's just use our common sense to get a middle part. And that's just that. Now, I don't always focus on making a part straight the first time. Once I hot comb the wig, at the end, once it's all hot combed, you'll see if your part is straight or not. It's kind of hard to tell when the hair is all poofy like this. You can't really tell. So now we got our part down. Okay, so next we are going to hot comb it down so it's flat. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we are going to do is, I like to just put it in 3 sections. So this is my first section, kind of part it out with my clip. Get my wax stick. Whoop-de-doop-de-doop. On top. Whoop-de-doop-de-doop. Spray my ebony. So then we're gonna take the back of our hot comb, right? That's what we're gonna use to push. So we do this. We use the back of that hot comb to push it down more, okay? That's key right there, because the comb is not gonna do it all. Use the back of that hot comb. And we come up like this, and we just come down. Again, use the back of that hot comb. I sprayed too much spray. Do not spray too much spray, because that spray works so well that this wig is gonna be too molded, and you don't want that. Okay? So that's how we get started. So now we're gonna do the rest. Guys, so let's get into it. So now I'm gonna curl this wig and you guys just follow along. Okay guys, so now we're gonna curl. I'm gonna use my T3, my 1.5. It's a bigger barrel than what I normally use. I pretty much just wanna see how more looser curls look, okay? So, first I'm gonna section my hair into 4. I love doing it this way. It's just my preference. It's easier to handle the hair when it's sectioned off, opposed to just grabbing random hair and curling it. So, got this, and I'm gonna do a section in the front. Like this. So we're doing this, boom, boom, same thing on the other side. Now let's get started.